All right, number 2, again, we're going to solve for x and then give an approximation. So you will notice a reoccurring theme with each of these problems, and that is you will have to take the log or the natural log of both sides. Sometimes you'll take the log, sometimes it'll be natural log. So with number 2, e to the 2x minus 10 equals 86 to the 3x plus 7. All right, so what I'm going to do is take the natural log of both sides, since I have a base of e. So ln e 2x minus 10 equals ln of 86 to the 3x plus 7. And then the natural log has understood base e, will cancel that out, and so we'll be left with 2x minus 10, and that equals, and I'm going to pull down the 3x plus 7 as a constant, so I'll have 3x plus 7 times ln of 86. We're going to distribute the 3x and the 7 to ln. And then plus 7 times ln of 86. I'm going to go ahead and add the 10 over, and I'm going to subtract and move the 3 ln 86 over. So I'm going to do both of them at the same time. So I have 2x, and then I'm going to move that over, so it'll be a minus 3x ln of 86. And then on the other side, I'll have equal the 7 ln of 86. And then that 10 got moved over, so plus 10. So anytime you move something from one side of the equal to the other, it changes signs. And then over here, I can factor out an x from both of these terms. So I have an x on the outside, and then inside I'll have 2 minus 3 ln of 86. And then on this side, it's going to be the same. And then my last step, I'm going to divide both sides. And then we'll get there. X equals 7 ln 86 plus 10, all divided by 2 minus 3 ln of 86. Okay. So this is what we get for x. 7 natural log of 86. Arrow out, and then plus 10. Arrow down, 2 minus 3 ln of 86. So this is what we get for x, and then we need to plug this into the calculator and get an approximation, and we're going to round to 2 decimal places. So this time I'm going to make the fraction bar and see what happens. Alpha y equal enter. I'm going to type it just like I have it here. 7 ln 86 plus 10. 2 minus 3 ln of 86. And we get negative 3.624. The 4 is not 5 or larger, so it'll stay negative 3.62. All right, so something similar with number 3. Let's go ahead and try to work that one here as well. We have e to the 2x minus 8 power equals 11 to the 3x divided by 14 power. All right, so still we're going to take the log of both sides, or the natural log that is. So ln of e gives us 2x minus 8 power. Then on the other side we have ln of 11, and we have our 3x divided by 14 power. So over here the ln will cancel out because we have base e understood. 2x minus 8. Over here we're going to bring the 3x divided by 14 down. And then times ln of 11. At this point, I'm going to, I guess I will subtract the 2x and move it over. So I have a negative 8 equals, and I'm going to move the 2x. So negative 2x plus 3x over 14 times ln of 11. So anytime you're trying to solve for x and you have two of them, you have to get them on the same side and factor it out. So again, I move that x over. I'm going to factor out an x from both of these terms. So over here I just have the negative 8. And then factor out an x. And then that will leave me with a negative 2 plus 3 over 14 ln of 11. And then I'm going to divide by all of this to get it away from the x. So it's going to be my term up here. So I'll have x equal negative 8 divided by negative 2 plus 3 over 14 times ln of 11. Okay, so this is what we get for x. We're going to punch it in and get an approximation. Negative 8 on top, negative 2 plus, I need a fraction down here, 3 over 14 ln of 11. And then in the calculator, I'll do the same thing, alpha y equal, and then enter. And then we'll do negative 8 on top, negative 2 plus, and then I'll do a fraction again, alpha y equal, enter, 3 over 14 ln of 11. And we get 5.382, still the 2 decimal places, so it'll be 5.38.